Hello, Anne. Hello, Anne.
Hello,
Good evening.
good evening.
Yes, you were calling me a while ago, but teacher is still in another class, so I wasn't able to let you in. Okay? Okay, so how are you, Anne?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow, it looks like you are happy. Are you happy?
Um, no.
No? Why? Why are you not happy? Why are you not happy?
Um, um,
Are you sad?
no.
Okay, you're not happy and you're not sad. It's just right. Okay. So have you eaten your supper or dinner?
Yeah.
What's your food for tonight?
Um, um, I eat pork, pumpkin soup, um, s- fish,
Mm-hmm.
fish, and some rice.
Okay, very good. So pumpkin soup. So what is that made of? I just that is very
Um,
new to my ear. Pumpkin soup. What is
um,
that?
it is made by pumpkin.
By pumpkin, okay? So yeah, wait a minute. Pumpkin, is that a squash?
Um, no.
Oh, what is it made of?
Um, well, I don't know what it is made of.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, anyway, okay, let's have our activity for tonight. And
Okay.
okay, wait a minute. There's no sound. Okay, maybe the sound is not working. Okay, well, anyway, let's proceed to task number two, reading and writing. Okay, so our activity for tonight is reading and writing activity. Okay, so
Okay.
let's have part number one and look and write. Choose the correct words. Okay, so this one is an example. Okay, you can buy a cup of drink and get something to eat here. So the answer is a cafe. Okay, number one, and read and answer.
Okay. One, when it is dark, this can help you to see. Um, a torch.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, a torch is correct. Next.
Two, this subject teaches you about people who lived in a long time ago. Um, um, geography.
Are you sure? This subject teaches you about people who lived a long time ago.
Well, I don't know.
What's your first answer?
Um,
You can see the answer there. It's like geography too, but you can change it.
Um, I don't know.
You can guess, please.
Um, um, hmm, hmm,
Just look at the choices or the words.
it is just, I don't know.
Okay. So the answer is history. You don't study history and
No.
okay, number 3.
If you got, if you've got stomach ache, the doctor gives you this, medicine.
Yes, okay. Medicine is correct. Next one, number 4.
You can go here to see clowns, horses, and elephants. Um, hmm, um, 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 a cricket.
Yes, a circus. That is correct. Next one, number 5.
If it snows, you can sit on this and go down a hill, a sledge.
Yes, a sledge is correct. Very good. So you got 4 points in the first activity. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good, Anne. Okay, now let's proceed to number 6.
You wait here if you want to catch a train, a station.
Okay, a station is correct. Number 7.
You can take your clothes in this if you go on a train, a suitcase.
Yes, a suitcase is correct. Number 8.
This subject teaches you about mountains, rivers, and lakes. Um, Geography.
Yes, geography is correct. Number 9.
This often has a light on top and can take you to hospital. An ambulance.
Okay, ambulance is the correct answer. Next, number 10.
This shop sells things to make you well. Um, a chemist.
Ah,
A chemist.
yes, a chemist. Very good. So you got 9 points for total. Okay, very good, Anne. Okay, now let's go to part number 2. Look and read and just tell me if it's a yes or a no. Okay, look at the picture,
Okay.
Anne. Number 1. One of the pirates has just fallen into the sea. Yes or no?
Um, yes.
Yes. Number 2. The tallest pirate is carrying a box of treasure.
Um, um, no.
No. Number 3. There is a storm in the sky.
Um, hmm, um, um, yes.
There is a storm in the sky. What's your answer?
Um, Yes.
Okay, yes. Number 4. An octopus is climbing into the small boat.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Number 5. The monkey is throwing coconuts at the pirates.
No.
No. Number 6. The pirate with red trousers is sleeping under the sea. Under the tree.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Number 7. Two of the butterflies are flying above the bigger boat.
No.
No, very good. Okay, so now let's have part number 3. We have here 5 questions, okay, Anne? So I will read it. Lucy is talking to Paul about his birthday. What does Paul say to Lucy? Read the conversation and then choose the best answer. Write a letter A to H for each answer. You do not need to use all the letters. There is one example. So example, it was your birthday yesterday, wasn't it, Paul? Answer is letter B.
Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. So number 1, I will read Lucy and then you must answer Paul. Okay, Anne? So let's begin reading. Do you have a party this year?
Um, 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 H. My parents gave me a bike. Um, no.
Letter E. Not this time. We went to a restaurant. Oh, who did you go with?
Letter A.
Okay, can you read A, please?
Just my family and two friends.
And what was your favorite present?
Letter H.
Okay, can you read it?
My parents gave me a pie.
Excellent. Shall we go for a ride together?
Um, F.
Hmm?
Letter F.
Can
If
you
you
read?
like, let's go to the park.
Okay, great idea. Will your brother come too?
D. No, he's busy today.
Okay, very good. So you just got one mistake. It's number 1.
Okay.
Okay, 4 points. Very good, Anne. So now let's have part number 4, 6 questions. Read a story and then choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. There is one example. Okay, so the choices are, or the answers will be at the top of the box. Okay, so let's start reading.
Um,
Okay, begin reading,
Tom
Laura.
loves Tom loves working in the garden. It's his favorite hobby. He grows a lot of fruit and vegetables here there. Every year there is a competition um, and his um, um, in his village to find the best watermelon, and always Tom tries to win.
In his,
In his village to find the best watermelon, and always Tom tries to
mm,
win. This year he's feeling very happy because um, um,
okay,
because he thinks he's got the biggest watermelon that ever um, anyone has ever seen.
Mm-hmm.
Um, it looks like a football. It's green and brown and so big that Tom can pick it up. It's too heavy. It gives it lots of water every day and every day it gets even bigger. At night he takes his blanket outside and um and sleeps on the ground next to his watermelon to look after it.
Okay.
He's afraid because someone might climb over the wall and steal it. Toms decides that this year he's not going to lose the competition.
Okay, now choose the best name for the story.
Um, um, Tom's big wish.
All right, very good. Tom's Big Wish. Good job. So you got the perfect score of 6. Okay, so now let's proceed to part number 5. 7 questions. Look at the picture and then read the story. Write some words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use one, two, three, or 4 words. Okay, so the story is about Ben finds his dinner. Okay, they want me to read it for you?
Um, um, Whatever you want.
Okay, all right, maybe teacher can read it for you, okay? So, last summer, Emma went for a walk in the forest with her dog, Ben. It was a lovely day. She was throwing a ball and Ben was running after it. When suddenly he saw a rabbit. The rabbit ran behind some trees and Ben followed it. Emma was afraid because there was a waterfall near the trees. She could hear it. Don't be naughty, Ben, she shouted. Come back. Okay, wait a minute. But Ben didn't, and Emma couldn't find him anywhere. She ran to the waterfall. It was very noisy, and there were lots of dangerous rocks in the river there. Oh no, she thought. Ben has fallen in. She looked into the water, but she couldn't see him. Then someone whistled. Who's there? Emma shouted. Emma, it's me, a boy answered. Who? Shouted Emma. It's Robert, your best friend, he laughed. I'm making lunch in a cave that I found. Come and see. Emma walked over the big rocks behind the waterfall very slowly and carefully and saw a big dark cave there. She went inside and saw Robert and Ben there. Robert was cooking on a fire and Ben was eating lots of sausages when she walked in. Now I understand, laughed Emma. Those look good. Have you got enough for me too? Of course, said Robert. Okay, so the examples are Emma and Ben were in the forest. Ben ran behind some trees after the rabbit. Okay, so question number 1, Anne, can you read an answer, please?
Number one, um, um, Emma felt, um, um, Emma um, felt afraid because of the waterfall.
Okay, afraid. Next, number 2.
When Emma caught Ben, he um, um,
Okay,
he couldn't.
wait a minute, Anne. I'm just going to talk to my student, okay?
Okay.
Wait for me. Let's talk to her because she forgot her schedule again. Hello, Anyan.
I'm here.
Okay, wait a minute, Anne. Let's talk first to Anyan, okay?
Okay.
Hello, Anyan. Anyan, can you hear me? Anyan. Oh,
Hmm?
she left. Okay, well, anyway, let's continue, Anne. Number 2, what is your
Okay.
answer?
When Emma called Ben, he couldn't come back.
Didn't run or come back. Okay. Next one, number 3.
Emma thought, oh no, Ben might be in the water.
Yes, Ben might be in the water. Okay, 3 points. Okay, so next, number 4.
Um, the waterfall sound. Um, 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 um,
The
um,
waterfall sounded.
um, um,
You can do it, don't worry.
um, 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 um,
You can look
I
for
don't
your
know.
answer there in the story. The
Um,
waterfall sounded.
um, the waterfall sounded noisy.
Okay, very noisy. Next, number 5. It was Emma's blank, Robert, who called her name from the cave. So who was Robert?
It was Emma's best friend, Robert,
Yes.
who called her name from the cave.
All right, very good. Number 6.
Um, um, Emma had to climb over some big rocks to get to the cave.
Yes, rocks. Number 7.
Um, when Emma went inside the cave, Ben was eating sausages.
Eating sausages. Okay, very good. Oh, okay. So how many points did you got on the first part? I
Um,
forgot. 3. Okay, so it means you got 7 points here. Very good. Alrighty. So now let's have activity part number 6, 10 questions. Okay, read the text, choose the right words, and write them on the lines. So example, last summer, Michael went camping in the mountain. So example is in. Okay, the correct answer there is in. All right. So number 1, and read and then choose the correct answer on the numbers on the right side.
um, Bihar, before he left, his mom helped him to put some things in his rucksack. His mother asked, "How many clothes do you want to took?"
Take.
Um, okay. He said,
Mm-hmm.
"I need 3 sweaters, some rocks, 5 t-shirts, and some shorts." Um, um, how how long are you going for?
How long are you going for? Okay, next.
And Michael answered, 4 days. Then his mom laughed and said, "But your rucksack will be too heavy to carry."
Okay.
What else? What else do you need? Michael thought for a moment and said, "Well, well,
Okay.
Peter's um 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 Peter's going to take a 10 because I haven't got one. Oh, um I um 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 um
I.
um I must remember to take a torch. Then we can see when it's dark. Um, can I have some chocolate and biscuits too, please, Mom? We might be hungry.
Can I? Okay.
His mom said, "Okay. And would you like some lemonade?"
Yes, some.
Michael said, "Oh yes, please. I think that's everything. I'm ready. Goodbye, Mom." His mom said, "Bye." And then she laughed again and said, "Michael, you've forgotten to put on your shoes."
Okay, your shoes. Very good. So 10 points and very good. Okay, now let's have the next part. It's part number 7. 5 questions. Read the text and then write the missing words. Write one word on each line, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so example. Harry is the pilot. He works at the airport. Okay, so continue.
He works at the airport, which is near the city.
Okay, very good.
Every day he gets up at 6 o'clock and put on his uniform.
Okay, very good.
He wears a white hat, a blue jacket, and trousers.
And trousers. Okay, next.
When he arrives at work, he tests everything on the plate and then said, hello to everyone.
Very good.
He loves his job because he meets a lot of people. He also likes visiting different countries. Um, this year, um,
This year.
um, 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 this year he liked flown all over the world.
He
Like,
he like, are you sure?
um, I just got it.
Just a guess.
Yep.
He has. Not like, okay? He has flown all over the world. Okay, so you got one mistake. Very good, still a high score. Okay, so we are finished in part 1 of our activity for tonight. Okay, let me open another
Okay.
one and
Okay. Hmm.
oh, okay, let's continue.
Okay.
Okay, so our next activity is about speaking. Okay,
Okay.
so now, first question. Tell me something about your favorite food and drink. What's your favorite food and drink,
Um,
and
I like chicken, and my favorite food is orange juice.
oh, your favorite food is a chicken, and then your favorite drink is an orange juice, right?
Okay.
So, when you
Yeah.
school, and what do you drink?
I drink it for breakfast um and in the afternoon.
Okay, you drink orange juice for breakfast and in the afternoon, right?
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
So next one, what is your surname, Anne? Can you tell me?
Um. 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 My surname is Nguyễn.
Yes.
Nguyễn.
When. Did I
Yeah,
say it right? When.
yeah.
Okay, very good. How old are you, Anne?
I am five. No, I am 9 years old.
9 years old. Okay, very good. Okay, so Anne. Oh, what's this one? Okay, well, as you can see, there are some different,
Yeah.
there's something different between the two pictures, okay? Well, as you can see, there is the
Okay.
answer already, so you just have to tell me what
Yeah.
is it, okay?
Um, in the picture one, um, the planet in this in the sky, are red, but in the picture two, it is yellow.
Yes.
Um, in the picture one, um, the um, the trees has lot of lot of has have a lot of leaves. But in the picture too, um, there are no leaves on the branches.
Mm-hmm. What else?
Um, in the picture one, um, um, mm, um, there is a rabbit on the rocks. But in the picture too, there is a lizard.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what else?
In the picture one, two astronauts is playing badminton, but in the picture two, they are playing tennis.
Mm-hmm. They are playing tennis. What else?
Um, in the picture one, um, um, the time is um, 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 is 1 o'clock. No, no.
Mm-hmm.
In the picture one, the time is um, um 8 o'clock. But in the picture too, um, the time is 1 o'clock.
Okay, are there anything else?
Um, in the picture one, um, the TV it's round. But in the picture too, um, it is um, um, it is like a rectangle.
It's like a rectangle. Okay. Anything else?
Um, in the picture one, um, um, all the chairs is purple, but in the picture too, they're pink.
Okay.
In the picture one, the man is watching TV. But in
Mm-hmm.
the picture too, he is doing something else.
Okay, is that
In
all?
the picture one, the robot is is standing in um, in the house, but in the picture two, it is standing outside.
Mm-hmm.
In the picture one, um, there are 6 flowers in front of the house, but in the picture two, there are just 4.
Okay. Anything more?
In the picture one,
Mm-hmm.
um, 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 um,
Okay. Wait a minute, Anne. Wait a minute.
okay,
Okay, wait, wait, wait. Wait, I cannot see. Okay, there.
okay. Um, in the picture one, um, the pollen of the flowers, is yellow, but in the picture two, they are bright, white.
Mm-hmm. Anything else?
Um, um, in the picture one, there are no stars in the sky. In the sky,
Mm-hmm.
but in the picture two, there is a star in the sky.
Okay. Anything else?
Hmm. Um. Um. In the picture one, um, the man's hair is brown, but in the picture two, his hair is blonde.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Um, I think it is enough.
That's enough. Okay.
Okay.
So let us see. Well, in the next part, we have here a picture, okay? So we are going to talk about Mary's pet. What? It's a horse. Food is carrots. Color is brown and black. How old? 6 years old. Name is Harry. Okay? So this is where Mary's pet sleeps. I don't know anything about Mary's pet, but you do. So I'm going to ask you some questions, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now, what pet has Mary got? And
Mary, Mary, Mary has got a horse.
okay, so she got a horse. Now, what is the name?
Its name is Harry.
Yes, its name is Harry. Now, what does it eat?
It eat it it eats carrots.
Carrots. Okay, now how old is the horse?
It is 6 years old.
Yeah, 6 years old. And what is the color of the horse?
The color of the horse is brown and black.
Yes, it's brown and black. Very good. Oh, okay, so I will give you 5 points because you got everything correct. Okay, so well, anyway, Anne, let's continue again our class on Thursday evening. Okay?
Okay.
All right, good night, Anne. See you again.
Good night.
Chúc ngủ ngon.
Bye bye.